Beloveds, I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. Beloved children, sisters, brothers, daughters, sons, I speak to you from the garden. Here there is wholeness, peace and harmony. You are in transition. You are in transition. Your world is in transition. Your solar system is in transition. I am Quan Yin. Think of yourself now encased in the body, and think of yourself reaching out to the stars. Think of yourself in the solar system. Think of yourself as a part of that whole. Imagine laying your body down on the soft Mother Earth, your spine supple, pain releasing from any place in the body, tightness. Imagine the whole entire back of your body, the calves, the thighs, the buttocks, the shoulders, the middle of the back, just relaxing into the Mother Earth. Imagine, I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. The garden is what it is to you. Use your imagination or your knowing or your heart vibration, however you see it or feel it. Use it to be in the garden, to see the garden. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. You are in the garden with me. By your desire, call on me, Quan Yin. Call on me. Open your heart, Quan Yin. Call on me. Call on me. I am Quan Yin. The Divine Mother vibration is held within the Mother Earth. The Divine Mother vibration is held within the cells of your body. Within you, the Divine Mother and the Divine Father exists. Imagine your body on the earth. The earth is the perfect temperature. Your body is the perfect temperature. All concerns are dropping away because you say so, drawing your breath in. I release all fears, concerns. I release all old karmic attachments. I release emotional blocks. I release. Shake out the arms, the feet, and visualize your body under the moon, on the earth, body cradled by the Mother, staring up at the moon, the stars in the sky, and breathing in the energy. Look at the light of the moon, the light of the stars, drawing it in. Turn your mind's eye and your eyes away from the electric lights of the earth, the man-made lights, and look at the luminaries in the sky. As you breathe, you are in the garden, relaxed, healing, whole. Every breath brings greater healing to you. As you breathe, you look at the sky and see yourself as part of the light in the sky. As you absorb that light from the stars and that vibration into your being, see yourself as the stars.